Hi, I'm Allison, grade 3 from Medina County, and I'm a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. And today I'm going to show you how to use a tube pan. A tube pan is a round pan with a hollow projection that is used to make foods into a ring shape, such as this angel food cake. When using your pan, you want to make sure that you assemble it properly, otherwise your batter will leak from the bottom and make a mess like I did, and you can also cause a fire. You also want to make sure that you let your pan cool before you try and take your cake out, otherwise you will burn yourself. So now I'm going to show you how to use it. So you want to start by running a knife alongside the pan to loosen the sides, just like this. And now you're going to take your plate and flip your pan upside down. Just like that. And sometimes it will stick to this part, and if it does, all you need to do is take a knife and run it alongside, but this one came right out. So you can use your tube pan in a bunch of ways. The most popular way is to make a cake, but you can also use it to make things like monkey bread and pull apart pizza, and some people even use it to make a bird feeder. Their options are limitless, so have fun.